Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Today I am again back with day 5 project. So what this project is about? Identify and kill the process which is consuming maximum of the memory on the server. So we'll be writing an automated script which will first identify like which all processes are consuming maximum of the memory in the server. And among those list of processes, it will help us to kill the process which is consuming maximum of the memory on the server. Now, the first thing is how to list running processes in the server. For that, we'll be using ps command. PS is to list all the processes running in your system. And how to kill a process on the server. So there is kill command which helps us to kill the process in the server. Now, what is PS command? Linux provides us a utility called PS for viewing information related with the processes on a system, which stands as abbreviation for process status. So PS is process status. PS command is used to list the currently running processes and their process IDs along with some other information depends on different options. So if we are giving PS-A, it will list all the running processes. PS-U display the processes belonging to the specified usernames. PS percentage memory or percentage M, the percentage of real memory used by this process. We can use -sort option to sort the result based on memory value. Now how to kill the process? So what is kill? Kill is a built-in command which is used to terminate processes manually. Kill command sends a signal to a process which terminates the process. So we always use option kill -9 PID is called process ID. What is -9? So in Linux you have multiple signals with priorities like -1, -2, -9 till -20. So -20 is a process which is having the highest priority. Even -9 is a bigger priority process. So if your system is doing some other work, but if you are passing some command with the highest priorities, it will not execute other task and it will first take the priority task. Just an example I'll tell you. Suppose on the airport, there are 100 people in a queue who are standing to go inside. But what you will be seeing, if some people who is having some medical emergencies or someone who is having some other problems, what you will see, those persons are given priority over the people, normal people who is waiting in the queue. So this kill -9 is also something same like that, which is giving the highest priority to your process and it is killing them instead of doing something else. So now let us first understand what we are going to do. So what we are going to do, first shebang line. So let us use shebang line and then echo. So echo, I am just writing a message, this script kill process which is taking maximum memory. Then a variable we are defining process ID is equal to the complete command we are writing here. But I told you in last lectures also that to pass the actual command output to a variable, you can use two methods. One is $ and then a small bracket and you can put the command inside, or the another way is this tick symbol. So this symbol, inside this symbol, you can put any command. So whatever will be the output of this command will be stored in this variable process ID. So what we are doing, PS-AU and then sorting them on the basis of memory. Then output of this sorted PS output, we are getting only top 10 processes. And then on basis of that, we are getting the second field, that is the process ID. And then on those second field, we are making sure that we are getting the second line. Now we are echoing whatever the process ID we are getting and then kill -9 and this process ID we are killing. And After that, if kill-9 this is successful, we will get a message. What message? Process is killed successfully, else some issue in the kill. And here we are again using $, which is the exit status of this kill command. If it is equal to 0, then echo this message, else this message. So now let us run. And last is phi, which is closing the if conditions. So before running, what we will do? chmod +x memory kill.sh. Now before running the script, let us first understand what individually each line of command is doing. So cat process kill.sh. Now let us understand what ps-u sort %mem will do. Let us run this command. So what exactly this command is doing? For every user, we are getting process related to each user, like root user is there, Ubuntu user is there, then again root user is there. And it is sorting the user process on basis of memory consumption. So you can see here %memory. So which process is consuming the maximum of the memory? Accordingly, it's coming in the sorted manner. So you can see 0.5% memory, 0.5, 0.5, then 0.4, 0.3. So PS AU -sort %mem is sorting the process on the basis of memory consumption. Now, since in our system, as of now, not a single process is there which is really consuming more memory. So what I am going to do? I am going to run a normal process which will put some more stress on our systems. For that, I am going to run a simple stress based command. This you can install in your system using yum install stress, or if it's Ubuntu system, you can do apt-get install stress. And once it is done, what I am telling that consume at least 128 MB of memory in my system. So this process is going to increase the memory consumption in our system. And in the last, I am doing end %. End % means it is going to run in the backend. And for how much seconds? Maybe 30 seconds I am running this process in our system. Now, let us run the ps command again. So what you will see, the stress command is taking maximum of the CPU in our system. Now, so in the ps command, now you understood. Now next is head -10. What this will do when it is written together? It will only show you top 10 processes in the sorted manner. So now you can see only 10 processes are coming. Then after that, we are telling awk print $2. So now let us run this till awk print $2 and see what it is coming. But since stress test we have executed for 30 seconds, so it's already completed. So let us do one thing. Let us run the stress test now for 100 seconds or maybe 200 seconds so that we can. Okay. Now let us run the ps command again. So this time we are running till head. We already see that only top 10 were coming. Now again the output till this we are redirecting to awk command. So what in the awk command I am telling? $2. So what will be $2? First is user section. This is $1 and $2 is PID, like the process ID. So now let us run it. So what you are seeing? You are getting only the process ID. Now, what was our process when stress is running? This was the second line. The first line is heading. This is heading. But what I am looking for? I am looking for the second line process ID so that we can kill the stress process here. So to get the second line, what we are using in our script? We are again redirecting the process IDs and only doing the awk of nr is equal to 2. What is nr? nr is called number of records and nr1 is the first row, nr2 is the second row. So first row is the heading itself and second row is our stress process ID. So now what we will be doing? We just need to copy the whole command here. So when you will copy the whole command here, what you will see that you are getting only process ID 1850. What is this process ID? If you see here, then you will see the stress is 1850. So now you are able to get the process ID 1850. Now let us finally confirm each line of the script. So in the process ID, you are able to get the actual process ID which is consuming the maximum memory in our system. Now here we are just echoing the process ID and then we are doing kill-9 and then our process ID, and if it is equal to 0 means this command is succeeded. We are printing the success message, else we are telling some issue in the kill. So now let us run /process_kill.sh. So what you can see, process is killed successfully and stress process was running in the backend. So you got the message that failed to complete this many seconds and it was already killed. So now you enter, so you can see the stress process was already completed here. So this was one of the script to kill the process. This is really important script which we use a lot of time in our organizations. Thank you so much guys for giving your valuable time. Have a great day ahead.